everyone, here we are. We have a camera person today.
Hi.
So, yeah, I have two hands on the wheel and still no hands on the control.
Yep.
But, whatever. We're kind of in the home stretch here. I don't know, it's like about, 20 acres maybe. So, yeah, knock on wood, everything is still kind of chopping away here.
Going smoothly.
Sample's really dry, thank God. And yeah, I don't know.
It's a beautiful day.
Gorgeous day. It's way too nice today to be stuck in a combine.
It's okay. Because we're getting it done.
Yes. Yeah, so this will be kind of wrapping up Harvest 2024. And yeah. Like every other farmer, think about what to do better next year, I guess. Plan for better times, better yield, better productivity, and all that crap never happens. But yeah. Anything to add?
Nope.
Why not?
On that note, that wraps 2024.
All right, everyone, like and subscribe. You know what everyone else says. I don't know. I don't even know what the hell that means, actually, but whatever.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. All right, everybody. Well, this is pretty much it. We're on the home stretch. Got like 2 swipes here. And that'll be it for 2024. Edited. Wait, this is even 24. This is even the 24 crop here.
Yeah. Right.
You have to show some videos of the Franken-Mass.
Yep.
You're supposed to do that thing like Quick Dick where you throw your hat down and drive over. And throw my Pepsi bottle like this.
Yeah.
You've had that other combine that they're supposed to come with 2 noses together.
Yeah. There goes the 2 hawks.
Yeah.
They know we're almost finished, so they're leaving.
So yeah, they're gonna go find some dessert somewhere.
Yep. Here we are.
Just leave this little piece here?
No.
Yeah, I should. There. We'll leave that. No? No? Okay, we're fine.
That's a wrap.
That is a wrap for 2024. Good or bad, it is over.
Yay.
Yay! Back in the system damage.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, everybody.